Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Getting started, preparing your catfish nuggets correctly is crucial for the best possible results. Rinsing them thoroughly helps to ensure cleanliness, while patting them completely dry removes any excess moisture. This really important step prevents the nuggets from steaming in the air fryer, which ensures they'll turn out beautifully golden and wonderfully crisp. Taking your time with this initial prep truly makes a difference in the final product. Now for the flavor, evenly coat your catfish nuggets with a blend of seasonings. Paprika gives a lovely color, while garlic and onion powder add wonderful depth. Don't forget salt and black pepper for that classic taste. A quick spray of olive oil or avocado oil ensures the spices stick well and helps achieve that irresistible crispy exterior. Make sure every single piece is covered for maximum flavor. Before adding your nuggets, always preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for a full 5 minutes. This ensures even cooking from the very start. Carefully place the seasoned catfish nuggets in a single layer within the basket, making sure they don't touch. Crowding the basket can lead to unevenly cooked, less crispy results, so cook in batches if necessary for the best texture. Begin cooking your catfish nuggets at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. Halfway through, it's important to carefully flip each nugget using tongs to ensure all sides cook evenly. This helps create a consistent golden brown crust all around. Continue air frying for another 5 to 7 minutes, keeping a close eye on them until they reach your desired crispiness and beautiful color. Once your catfish nuggets are beautifully golden and delightfully crispy, remove them from the air fryer basket. For food safety, always ensure the internal temperature reaches at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit or 63 degrees Celsius. Let them rest for just a minute to retain their delicious juices and heat. They're perfect served hot with tartar sauce, hot sauce, or a simple wedge of lemon for a wonderfully fresh finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.